You guys having a great day. Beautiful. You guys having a great day? We're doing a return. Check it out, guys. Here it comes. Beautiful. Breathe better. Call you. Perfect. All right, guys, we're on a duct job today. We are downstairs doing the main truck lines. This is the return. Open up the end cap here. As you can see, it's typical. And this is a new homeowner that are moving in. We did their hardwood floors. Now we're doing their ducts after their hardwood's been serviced because it was a full sand, stain and recoat. And now we're doing the duct cleaning. And you can see actually there's some evidence of some sawdust right there. Yeah, we're gonna get it cleaned up for them and so they can breathe better. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, that's a wrap. Looks beautiful. Remember, clean ducts is healthy ducts. If it's in your ducts, it's in your lungs. Stay tuned. Looks good. All right, guys, this is the other main trunk line of the supply. This supplies all the air you breathe. So pretty typical. Stay tuned. All right, guys, just got done doing the main trunk supply. As you can see, all looks well. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and comment, and subscribe on our YouTube channel. All right, guys, thanks for watching. All right, guys, another successful job. The client loved it. Again, we did her hardwoods last week. We came back today and did her HVAC duct cleaning, and she absolutely stunning. Loves it. So that's a wrap, guys. Thanks for watching.